Have you ever wondered why your pencils keep breaking or why the tips aren't as sharp as you would like? It might not be your pencils, but it can actually be your sharpener. Hey everyone, it's May here at Rahinu Press. Today we're getting into an overlooked part of coloring, choosing the right pencil sharpener. It's a small detail, but it can make a huge difference in your coloring experience and getting those smooth, clean lines without breaking or wasting your precious colored pencils. If you're like most colorists, you've probably had a pencil tip snap off mid-project or noticed that your colors aren't as smooth as they could be. Cheap or mismatched sharpeners are often the cause. They can damage your pencils, dull the colors, or lead to uneven tips. With colored pencils, especially softer wax-based ones, you need a sharpener that can handle them properly. So I have here these two colored pencils. This one is from Target. It's a really cheap one. It's like probably 50 cents. And I had a beginner mistake of using this, sorry about that, of sharpening these color pencils with this very cheap sharpeners. I'm gonna show you. Okay, it's not even working on this small one. But so when I sharpen this with these cheap ones, it's not the best sharpening tool. Like there's like edges here on the side that are breaking. Let me do another thing. See how sharp it could get. Right, I think that is sharp, but the more I use it, like it breaks so easily. So that's my experience with this really cheap sharpeners. And then compare it to this sharpener. It's a Prismacolor pencil sharpener. I just wanted to try it, so I thought it would be a better option. So there's two holes here, one for a more narrow angle and a wide angle, and I kind of like the narrow one. So just see the difference. I want to show you. So a little bit more. So I think I did that too much, but anyway. Here. So the Prismacolor sharpener is really giving me this sharp tip, which is really good for coloring. You want your pencil sharpeners to have a sharp point so it can go to all the crevices of your paper when you're coloring. So this is probably one of the biggest mistake I had, is using these cheap sharpeners, because it was just breaking, and then I had to sharpen more, and then I got the pencils shorter and shorter. So that's my take on these pencil sharpeners. So get a good sharpener. There's many pencil sharpeners, and so far I like this one. It might take more time because it's a manual sharpener. So I'm gonna try a mechanical one next time. Choosing the right pencil sharpener can really enhance your coloring experience and keep your pencils performing well. Remember, it's all about finding the balance of precision, control, and care. Do you have any favorite pencil sharpener or coloring tips to share? Comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, give us a subscribe and watch out for more of our videos. Happy coloring!